So welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike. This is Journey with Mike and Penny. Penny's down there under the awning somewhere. We're here in Florida at the Winterset RV Resort, which I'm highly recommending. Today I'm going to put a max airflow fan on that. And it's nice and warm, and I thought I would try to get some of the Dicor off of that while it's soft. So let's see how that goes. They got enough on there, that's for sure. I don't like how it's pulling the roof up, but look, you can pull it right off the roof. Hey baby, go down and put the vent up a little bit. Trying to be very careful. I don't really want to puncture this. That's probably good. Thank you. I don't care that I get it all off of the vent, but I do want to get it off the roof. But you got to get to those screws. Stuff is really tough. You see how it's working. I'll bring you back. Holy moly. There was lots of that glue stuff on there. Look, that's a whole pile over there. You got it pretty much off. I don't know what's going to happen when I start taking the screws out to peel this up. So I imagine it's glued down also. We're about to find out. So here we go. I'm going to start taking screws out. And there's a lot of them. too. Just got under it, and I'm going underneath with my putty knife, kind of unsticking the roof to the bottom of the vent. I did get it a couple times. I can see one spot right here. I am going to go along and try to get the rest of this lap sealant off. Okay, so here we are. There's the new Max Airflow. It wants you to put it in and draw a circle around the hole so you know where to put your butyl tape. I have this butyl tape that I'm about to stick on, and of course we'll put the Max Air fan down. It has 16 Phillips head screws, and then of course I'm going to put a bunch of Dicor all over like everything else is. So here we go. Thought I forgot my knife. Of course, getting the backing off this stuff is always the hardest part. slots. So I'm going to put them over the holes, and then on a couple sides I'm going to put them outside where the outside's going to come over it. Any of you people that's watching that worked with me at Honda, I thought this would be more like the stuff that we used at Honda, but it's not. It's real thin. Okay, there we go. You can see how it's all taped up. Now we're going to set our fan in there. Hinge side to the front of the camper. Tightened up nice. Okay, there's 4. I won't bore you with putting the rest of them in. There's 16 altogether. Okay. So far, this has really been a piece of cake. Gonna take the protective cover off. And then once I get it wired up, I have to open it and take the foam out of the inside. There's what it looks like before I put the cover on and the Dicor. Now this is the shield for inside to cover up, you know, the roof of the camper, and it comes real long to fit any roof or any tech. You know, some roofs are like curved. Mine, the ceiling is flat. It doesn't follow the roof curve, so I have to cut 2 inches off of it. So it's pretty thin plastic, and I thought, how am I going to cut that? But you know what? A pair of old scissors cuts it just fine. Don't give me a picture. I held mine up on the roof where it's going to go and just measured the gap between the ceiling and this. And then I actually added about a ½ inch, because there's a lot up there that you won't see the edge. It's covered up by the fan itself. All right, I'll bring you back when we're inside. And now we're on the inside of the MaxxAir fan. Actually, I've got it all put back together. I've lost video of putting the ring on and everything, but there's about that much of a gap between the inside trim ring and the cutout in the camper, and that's where your wire is hanging. Mine is on this side, I just wired them back together with wire nuts. I taped up the wire nuts. You just slide this trim ring around. You've seen me cutting it, and it goes way up in there, so you can't even see where I cut it. But it covers the whole thing, and then you put your 4 screws in. This one has the rain sensor. It is blowing in right now on. I don't know if you guys can see that for sure. I have it set to 72 degrees. It's on 50%. It's blowing in. And you see how quiet it is. It's very, you can control it with the remote or this up here. You know, the only thing I don't like about this is, like, if I just wanted it open just a little bit, I have not figured out that I guess I could do it manually, but when it's on, it wants to open up all the way. But this is so much quieter than our little 4-inch fart fan that was in here before. I really like it. Hey, all this said, this is not a how-to. This is just how I did it. It came out great, though. I wouldn't be ashamed to show anybody this. I guess next we're going to go up on the roof and die core it. And thank you guys for watching. Okay, so here we are. Cocking gun, die core. Let's get it cocked. And this baby's going to be done. And there she is, all done. It probably took me an hour to get the die core off the roof from the old vent, and probably an hour or so to put this in. Not very long. So I'm liking it. Looks good, works good. Thank you all for watching.